Oncidium is a genus that contains about 330 species of orchids from the subtribe Oncidianae of the orchid family. As presently conceived, it is distributed across much of South America, Central America, Mexico, and the West Indies, with one species extending into Florida. Common names for the plants in this genus include dancing lady orchid and tiger orchid. Oncidium orchids were first officially described by Olaf Schwartz, a Swedish botanist, in the year 1800. The name was taken from the Greek word onkos, which means swelling or mass, referring to the uniquely shaped bump on the lips of its flowers. Oncidium orchids are native to the lush wild jungles of Central and South America. In their natural habitat, they can be seen thriving on trees and on top of rocks, both on coastal areas and high up in the mountains, up to 8,000 feet in the Andes. Oncidium orchids have also been spotted throughout the tropics from Florida in the US all the way to Brazil, Ecuador, Peru, Argentina. Oncidiums are light-loving orchids, with some able to handle direct full sun. Plants may be grown mounted, established in baskets, or potted in a bark mix, or sphagnum. Whichever is used, water just as the media is approaching dryness. The need for water can vary widely from Oncidium to Oncidium. A good general rule is that Oncidiums with thicker roots and leaves will not need to be watered as frequently as those with thinner leaves. Repot once every 1 to 2 years, preferably in the spring when active growth resumes. Oncidiums can be divided when there are 6 or more pseudobulbs. Once an Oncidium has finished blooming, let the flowers fall off on their own and wait to cut the stem back until it's entirely dead. It may bloom again.